stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again. But I'm not your man, no, I'm not your man. I can blow your mind like whoa. Why be faithful when you got hoes? Drop top and off we go. We gon' pop off, that's how we roll. Your perfect face, not to mention your perfect body elegance. The way you move while you're dancing.
Okay, so wild thought. So I kind of want to add some curly bangs. I've never tried to get bangs before, so we'll see. I'm just gonna part out a little because I don't want it to be too much. Alright, I'm gonna use a hair tie to just kind of pull the rest of this hair out the way. I'm scared. What if that's not cute? What if it's not cute? Alright, I have scissors. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna go do my makeup and then I'm going to hot comb the top so that it's more flat. And then I'll be back because I don't know. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I like this wig 10 times better now that it has bangs. I didn't think I could pull off bangs, but I'm kind of, you know, I'm kind of digging it. Alright, this hair is from Alipearl hair on Amazon. I'm so happy with it. Also, they gave me this really pretty headband. Look at it. It's so cute. Not gonna lie, I wasn't feeling the headband either before, but now that I see it like with the hair, it's cute. But yeah, I just wanted to jump in and show you guys this headband real quick. I got mine in the color gold, I'm pretty sure, but of course I'll leave it linked down below. That is all for this video. Of course I will leave the link to this hair down below. Thank you to Alipearl for being so patient with me. My SD card was having problems, so I wasn't able to film. So yeah, but now I got it done and this video ought to be up for you guys soon. So yeah, this is a 14-inch 6x6 closure wig. It's 180 density. This is water wave hair. The wig quality is great overall. It is thick. When they say it's thick, it's thick. But yeah, this is the final outcome. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. They'll be in the description box down below. And yeah, that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.